We're only 10 days away from the Apple event, and there's already a lot of information about the new iPhone 17. However, many details have still to be published by Apple. In this video, we'll look at some final, confirmed leaks and rumors. The first one concerns the design. The design of the iPhone 17 Pro and 17 Pro Max, which was leaked months ago, is finally coming this year. The iPhone 17 and 17 Pro Max versions will have a large camera bar on the back. While this will not be there solely for aesthetic reasons, it will also have a functional purpose. For example, this year we'll see the introduction of a new camera sensor, the 48-megapixel telephoto. It is also believed that Apple would incorporate a variable periscope zoom lens, allowing users to optically zoom 8 times. If this is true, Samsung's reign of camera zoom will undoubtedly come to an end. Next, we'll see some significant improvements to battery life. The iPhone 17 Pro Max, for example, will feature a 5,000 mAh battery. This is on par with Android competitors. With the outstanding optimization of iOS 26 and such a large battery, customers will receive a lot of screen-on time from this smartphone. With a larger battery, the phone will be slightly thicker and bulkier. To compensate for this, Apple will once again employ an aluminum unibody design. Say goodbye to the titanium body. While aluminum is significantly less robust than titanium, it is more lightweight and has greater heat dissipation. In terms of colors, the Apple Invite indicates that 2 new colors for the Pro models will be available this year. One is orange, and the other is deep blue. If orange is anything like what Apple did with the Watch Ultra, I'm quite excited for this new color option. RAM is also getting an upgrade this year. Now it will have 12 GB of RAM, allowing all games and programs to run in the background. It's great news for both gamers and casual users. We still don't know whether the dynamic island is decreasing this year. We'll only see it on September 9th, when Apple unveils the iPhone 17. About price. This year, Apple is raising the price slightly. For example, the base iPhone 17 Pro will cost $1,049 rather than $999. That's a $50 increase. But Apple is also boosting the base model iPhone storage capacity from 128 GB to 256 GB. Aside from these iPhone Pro versions, we'll see an extremely thin iPhone 17 Air and a standard iPhone 17. So with that being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.